Hello out there, everybody. It's a cold winter's eve, and that can only mean one thing. It's time to do some baking. Hey, Needles. It's my dog. It's time to do the first episode of my new show, the Oh No Cooking Show. We're gonna bake some cookies to warm up the house. Wahoo! Okay, step one, get your stuff all ready. Whoa. Holy shit. Yuck. Nobody wants to touch that mess. Here's a little tip from me to you. You can use these. These are Kimberly-Clark purple nitrile gloves. They're size medium, which means that they're like way too small for my big hands because I got the wrong size. Like, look, I look like Johnny Depp in the Willy Wonka movie. It's all kind of full of air. It'll cut off your circulation after a while when you have small gloves like me. So what you can do is like use that as a timer for doing the dishes. Like, you got to get them done quick or else you'll have to have your hand amputated. Tip number two. All right, that ought to do it. All the dishes are done. Quick, wrong. I just moved them over to one side of the sink. I haven't done anything. I put this plate in the dishwasher. Tip number 3, don't believe everything you see on this show. But I really do need to do these dishes before I make anything, so hang on. Okay, this is pretty much, there, those are drying so I can use them later. This is pretty much everything. I don't know if this is powdered sugar or flour though, hang on. Flour. Perfect. Okay, so step 2 or 3, whatever it is, you're gonna put a stick of butter in a cup. I'm using a measuring cup. And you're gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 to 45 seconds until it's melted. So let's put it in for 33 seconds. While the butter is melting, you can figure out if this one is sugar or salt. Sugar. You need half a cup of that. Put it in there. You need a quarter cup of brown sugar. Put it in there. You need your butter out of the microwave. Hey, doggy. It's melted. You just kind of pour it all in there. Ugh. And then you're going to take a whisk and just kind of keep going until this isn't lumpy anymore. Okay, you're going to want to... this is 15 ounces. That's like almost 2 cups. So what you want to put in is 8 ounces of it. Give or take. I mean, you just eyeball it. The rest is... Hey! You want some pumpkin pie filling in a minute? Yeah. You'd like that. On top of your pumpkin with all that other stuff, you're going to want to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And here's a tip for all you teenagers or alcoholics watching. This stuff is very high alcohol content and is super easy to shoplift. One thing of that will get you pretty buzzed. I can't really film while I'm whisking because I need to hold the bowl. But you whisk this up. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Okay, so that's all orange and smooth. Then over here we've got 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon sugar. Those are going in there. I kind of eyeballed that. Here's another half cup of sugar. Put that in there. 2.5 cups of flour. There's 2 and a half. I got it all measured out like Rachel Ray. And then, there was a 1/4 teaspoon each of baking soda and baking powder. Mix all this shit together. Oh yeah, shit, I forgot. A pinch of salt. Alright, once that's all mixed up, you want to put the wet stuff in there. Again, I can't really do this one-handed. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Alright, y'all, it's getting there. Let's get crazy. Chocolate chips, baby. Chocolate chips for days. Go nuts. Mix that together. La 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 la. Okay, I'll cut back in a minute. Alright, perfect. So once your arm is tired and you lose interest, you're going to want to cover this and then put it in the fridge for half an hour. Find something to do for half an hour, like play a video game and listen to a podcast you like. Or take a nap on the floor. Alrighty, it's been half an hour. Let's hit bake. 350, go. You're gonna be touching yucky stuff, so get balls somewhat smaller than that. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Yuck. Balls about yay big or so, and then put them on parchment paper on the thing. I need both hands to do this, so I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, that's more like it. There's probably enough for like 4 dozen, 3 dozen, I don't know. Before you put them in the oven, hit them with a little bit of that cinnamon sugar. Give them the old Razzle Dazzle. Oh shit, I didn't mean to hit record. Here, you want to see the dog do a trick? You gonna catch it? Catch! You dipshit. Alright, you're gonna catch it? Catch! So close! Catch! You dipshit! Catch it! Good job! Alright, cool. Oven's ready. Let's put these in here. Look, there's a fire in the bottom because we use gas. Alright, so those in the oven. Shut it. Let's give them, shit, I don't know, 8 minutes. Go, we'll check on them in a minute. Or in 8 of them. 8 minutes, we did it, Needles. Let's look. Not what I was expecting at all. Probably raw in the middle. Shit. I need a toothpick. Here they are. Did you toothpick a cookie? I don't have any idea. That's like, oh, that's still, that's liquid. Okay. Shit. What do I do now? I made this whole video. Let's put them in there for longer. Timer, please. 4 minutes. On. So here's like tip number 71. Nobody really knows how to cook. You just kind of wing it like I do. Ooh. Ooh. Timer turned itself off. It was getting mad. Good lord. What do these look like on the bottom? Kind of, ooh. Maybe I overcooked them. These might be done. I think these are done. Alright, these have been cooling a little bit. The other ones are still in there. Let's, oh my god, holy shit. They're a little chewy. Holy shit. Look at the inside of that. They were a little chewier than I'd like. But holy shit, these are really good. That's how you make them. The other ones will be done in a minute. I might give them another minute more or so. And that one's still kind of doughy in the middle. But holy crap. You can't eat these, there's chocolate in it. That's poison to your kind. So I guess that's how you do these. They turned out okay. They're a little chewy. They could be a little sweeter, a little more sugar. This guy over here, he's checking out the dirty dishes because they smell good. Yeah. He's coming over to the other side. See if I'll catch him. I did. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.